Welcome back to AI Trekkers, everyone. We are your hosts, John and Emma.
And today we're diving into some pretty big news that's got the AI world buzzing.
It sure does. I mean, an AI czar, that's not something you hear every day.
Definitely not. It really makes you wonder, what direction is this whole AI thing heading in?
Exactly. And that's exactly what we're going to unpack today.
So let's get right to it.
Okay, so this all started with this report from Axios, and I was just floored by what I was reading.
Me too. President-elect Trump's vision for this AI czar position is, well, it's pretty bold.
No kidding. It sounds like he really wants to make sure America stays ahead of the curve, especially with China and the EU making such big moves in AI.
Absolutely. The report really emphasized that competition, like a global AI race sort of thing.
Yeah, and it's not just about being number one just for the bragging rights. It's about, using AI to solve real problems, like right here, right now.
Right. I mean, think about it. Government services are notoriously slow and inefficient.
Ooh, don't even get me started on the DNV.
Haha, exactly. But imagine a world where you could apply for a passport, and the whole thing is handled by an AI, no more waiting in line, no more mountains of paperwork.
Now, that's something I could get behind.
And then there's national security. AI could be used to analyze like mountains of data to spot potential threats way before they even become, real problems.
Which could be a game changer, right? Especially in today's world.
Totally. And it's not just about the government doing its thing. The report also talked a lot about encouraging private companies to invest in AI, which, could really boost innovation.
Right, like a public-private partnership to push things forward.
Exactly. And there's this one detail in the report that I found really interesting. It mentions that this AI czar might actually work with, get this, chief AI officers who are already in different government departments.
Oh, wow. I didn't catch that. Now, that's interesting. I mean, how's that going to work? I mean,
Okay.
you've got all these different agencies with their own ways of doing
Yeah.
things.
Yeah, it definitely raises some questions like, will it be smooth sailing? Or could you have, some power struggles?
And let's not forget the elephant in the room here, Elon Musk.
Oh, yeah, he's a big part of this equation, isn't he?
It seems like he's going to have a lot of influence over how this whole AI czar thing takes shape, even if it's, from behind the scenes.
Which makes sense. I mean, he's a leader in AI with XAI, plus he's already working with the government, co-leading Trump's Department of Government Efficiency with Vivek Ramaswamy.
Right. His voice carries a lot of weight, which makes this whole situation even more, well, unpredictable.
It really does. I mean, on the one hand, Musk is brilliant, and he definitely has the vision to push American AI development forward.
But on the other hand, I can't help but think about, the potential downsides. I mean, what if this sparks some kind of international AI arms race with everyone trying to outdo each other?
That's a scary thought.
It is. And then there's the whole issue of, ethics, fairness, making sure AI is used for good and not for, harmful purposes.
Absolutely. That's a huge piece of this puzzle.
It definitely is. And this whole AI czar idea really brings those concerns to the forefront.
It's a lot to consider, that's for sure.
It is. But one thing's for certain, this is a major development in the AI world.
No doubt about it. And it'll be fascinating to see how it all unfolds.
Absolutely. So stay tuned, folks, because this is just the beginning.
And who knows what kind of wild ride we're in for.
Thanks for joining us on AI Trekkers, and we'll see you on our next adventure across the AI universe.
See you then.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.